This is Isutwan back with another episode. On today's episode, we're making Thanksgiving leftover waffles using our leftovers from Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to have an awesome brunch, and the ingredients will be in the description for you to follow, but you can use any meat that you like. You could use, let's say, if you made a ham, Cornish hen, turkey. Only thing you're going to need is a cup of cranberry sauce, stuffing, some cheese, and some egg. And look, we're going to make a delicious waffle. It's going to be so amazing. And listen, maple syrup. We're going to take this and we're going to add it to the cranberry sauce to make an awesome syrup. All right, let's go ahead and get started making the waffle. Get you a clean bowl. Go ahead and put that stuffing slash dressing in a new bowl because we are going to combine some ingredients to make a nice waffle. You will need 2 eggs for this recipe. I'll put 1 egg in at a time. I wanted to make sure I control the density of my mixture. I didn't want it too wet. So listen, take some shredded meat. So if you made a turkey or Cornish hen, go ahead and shred that up, break it up, and then go ahead and put it in that bowl with the egg and the stuffing. And once you do that, we're going to go ahead and add some good old cheese to this mixture. Now this is going to give it a nice savory taste and, repurposing Thanksgiving leftovers. So go ahead and put about a cup of cheese inside of that mixture. That's going to make it really, really good. Okay. Once you go ahead and do that, you want to go ahead and then you want to go ahead and add another egg. Again, just take your time with it. You may need 1 or 2 eggs because it's heavily going to be based off of how much stuffing and dressing you have left over. This is about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You definitely want to add some more flavor into that and go ahead and use your hands and go ahead and mix that up. Now, as you can see, the mixture is not too wet. It's still holding form, and that's what you want to do. Look, you still have the stuffing that you made. I'm pretty sure y'all made some really good stuffing or dressing for Thanksgiving. Go ahead and combine all of the ingredients just like that. Go ahead and set that mixture aside and take about a cup of leftover cranberry sauce. That's very important. Take a cup of leftover cranberry sauce, add some maple syrup to that, and this is about 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Then I hit it with a tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that combine on low for a few minutes. But if you love this content and want to see more, like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is East with Twan. I know you guys want to love these recipes, okay? Listen, go ahead and hit it with a tablespoon of that vanilla extract. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Go ahead and stir that to combine, and we're going to set that aside because we need to poach some eggs to go on top of this waffle. So let's go. Making a poached egg is fairly simple actually. You will need a mesh strainer and 2 small bowls. That's all you're going to need. So crack the egg inside the mesh strainer as you see here on the screen, just like that. Let the loose egg whites fall through. Then transfer that egg into a new small bowl, just like that. This is going to help form a perfect poached egg. All right. Now in a pot of water, you want to go ahead and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. That's all you're going to need. Go ahead and add that to the water. That's going to help form the egg white. Bring to a rapid boil. Then turn the water down on low, and the water should look just like that, small bubbles at the bottom. You do not want rapidly boiling water for this poached egg. Create a vortex by stirring the water and then go ahead and dump it in. And as you can see, look, the egg white is surrounding the yolk, it's swirling, and this is going to create a perfect poached egg. 3 minutes is all you want to need to create that poached egg. That simple. Okay, it took me a lot of tries, but I got it down pat. So look, after 3 minutes, go ahead and take that out. Now see, you got all the egg whites. Look at that, poached egg is intact. Perfect. It's jiggly, the right amount of doneness that you want, and that yolk should come running out once you open the egg. Now let's get to our waffle. Go ahead and spray a nonstick spray onto whatever waffle iron that you have. Take that stuffing mixture that we made earlier and go ahead and press that in. Again, this is heavily going to depend on how much you have left. So we have the cheese and all of those ingredients inside of that. So go ahead and put that into the waffle maker, and then you want to allow this to cook just a regular time that a waffle would take. And your waffle iron should let you know when it's done. Now I will say this took about 5 to 6 minutes. Look at that. Man, that thing looked amazing. We did that. It's perfect. You see the cheese in there. Wow, this really turned out amazing. You have a nice stuffing waffle and it's firm. It's not mushy. Perfect. Nice and savory. Go ahead and take that thing out. Ooh, look at that. Go ahead and take that bad boy out. Now be careful with it. Make sure that it holds the shape and transfer that over to a nice plate. Now that you have your waffle on your plate, go ahead and put some of that delicious maple syrup and cranberry syrup that we made. Go ahead and add your meat. Like I said, if you have ham, Cornish hen, or turkey, go ahead and put that on top of the waffle. We have some inside the waffle. Put a little on top. Add that poached egg to that bad boy. Add some fresh black pepper to it, just a little bit, just a little bit. You see the black spots on there. And let's go ahead and cut into this poached egg. This thing looks good. I'm ready to eat it. And look, a nice runny poached egg. Listen, don't knock it until you try it. It was amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this waffle up, cut into it, get a little bit of that poached egg. There you have it. This has been Eats with Twan. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And listen, if you love this content or if you like this video, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button. That really helps me out. And I'm going to see you guys in the next episode. Have a blessed one. Stay up and happy holidays.